In this video, I'll show you how to add Subscript in Excel. Now, if you want to write something with a subscript like this, what you can do is you can write it normally, just like this. Then select the cell and you want to highlight the thing that you want to subscript. Then what you want to do is right click, format cells, and come over here and press Subscript. Now when you do this and press OK, you will see that it will automatically subscript itself. So that's basically how you can do it in Excel, guys. It's really super easy and there's not really much more to it. There's also other options in here. You can do these, but if you want to subscript is this one. Press OK, and there you go. So that's basically how you can do it, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.